Hello from Sopot, Poland. I am right now on Sopot beach, right next to the pier, or as they call it, molo. And it's actually not allowed to swim within 100 meters from the pier. So I will be continuing to the swimming area over there where it starts. The beach is super crowded today, as you can see, and I can see crowded all the way to the very beginning of the beach, and I can see where the bay ends at Gdynia. So Sopot is in the middle of the Tricity area that is actually Gdansk, Sopot and Gdynia. And I am exploring all of those three cities in these past 3 days. So I started off with Gdansk 2 days ago when I arrived, and I was checking the city and the beaches. Yesterday it was Gdynia on the agenda, the city, and also close by beaches in the smaller city in Reva, with beautiful beach. And today it is Sopot. So after exploring the very small city, I have headed to the beach that's a lot bigger than the actual city indeed. So yes, so this city of Sopot has only a population of just 38,000 people, and it's definitely the smallest out of these three cities, with Gdynia being a second place with 250,000 people, and then Gdansk being the largest one with almost 600,000 population. So you can see now this pier molo that actually now it's actually not free to enter. You need to pay 10 zloty, which is something around 2 euros, but I'm not sure what you will get from that. There is not like the better view than the view on the beach, to be fair. So I have opted out and instead bought souvenirs. Not that it's a big cost, but I don't see the value of it, as there are similar piers like that in Gdynia that I have already visited, and even in Gdansk. That's quite amazing. So yes, greetings from Sopot and Sopot beach on this 12th of August, and currently it is actually 12:12 o'clock, so 12 hours, so 12 o'clock and 12 minutes on this 12th of August 2024. How amazing is that indeed? So yes, and the temperature in the water is 21 degrees Celsius, same as the air currently. here in Sopot. So yeah, day 3 and last day of my beach adventures in this 3-city area, Gdansk, Gdynia and Sopot. So let's then end up in the best possible way with as many beach adventures as possible, because it is so nice and amazing over here indeed. Look at that, the beach has view over some very nice buildings in the center here in Sopot. Now we'll continue later along the coast to explore. Right, so now I'm officially in the bathing area. It starts here, so I don't make any and something that's forbidden. But let's then take a swim and enjoy here in Sopot beach. Let's go! Amazing indeed. Amazing indeed. Beautiful, beautiful day here in Sopot beach. Look at the view that I have. It's absolutely amazing. And the view of the whole pier as well. Right, so that's a wrap from Sopot beach, the first beach adventure for today, day 3, 12th of August. And I'm gonna be now walking along the coast and finding some more peaceful place. As here it is super crowded, as Sopot has a train station and many people come here despite being a Monday today. So thanks so much for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Green.